Hey guys, Shane Seymour from TV Magic here. On behalf of TV Magic, I'm here at the front of JB Hi-Fi along with Nick Howe. Say hi, Nick.
Hey guys.
And we are about to find out who the winners are of the $3,000 TV giveaway that ended yesterday on June 30. TV Magic is giving away 5 prizes to the value of $4,750 with the major prize of one $3,000 TV from JB Hi-Fi, fully installed in your home by TV Magic. So I have a box of entries here. Congratulations if you got an entry. We're going to draw them right now and find out who the winners are. Jean Scott from Lismore. Congratulations, Jean. We're going to be in touch with you to put a TV on the wall free of charge, a TV mounted on the wall to the value of $350. Our next prize winner is Therese Hendry from Ripponlea, Victoria. Congratulations, Therese. You've won the second prize. It's a free TV Magic wall mounting at your house. We will come and put a TV on the wall for you to the value of $350. Michael Fronis from Parkinson. I think Parkinson's in Brisbane, yeah? Congratulations, Michael. You've won the 4th prize, which is also a TV on the wall, fully installed professionally by TV Magic to the value of $350. Congratulations, Joe Whedon from Croydon, Victoria. A lot of our Melbourne customers have won today. Joe, congratulations. You've got a TV on the wall job free of charge by TV Magic. Drum roll, please. And our first winner is Greg Young from Cranbourne. Congratulations, Greg. We've got a $3,000 TV coming to you, fully installed in your house from a JB Hi-Fi in Melbourne to your home. Congratulations, Greg. Okay, so we just found out who the winners are. This is really exciting. I'm in the office and I'm about to ring the customers to let them know that they've won. This is really exciting. Hi, Therese. Shane from TV Magic. How are you?
Hello, Shane. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very good, thank you. Therese, you are prize winner number 2.
Yes.
You have won a free TV Magic wall mounting job to the value of $350.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you. That's wonderful.
Right, Michael speaking.
Hello, Michael Fronis, is it?
Yes, that's correct.
Michael, it's Shane from TV Magic. I've got some exciting news for you. What you've won. Are you ready?
I'm excited. Yep, go for it, mate.
Okay, so Michael, you have won prize number 4. We will come out and professionally wall mount a TV or do a job for you to the value of $350 free of charge. How does that sound?
Oh, that's fantastic, mate. That's excellent.
Hi, Joe speaking.
Hi Joe, Shane from TV Magic. How are you?
Oh, hi. Good, thanks. How are you?
Yeah, very well. Just to check, I've got Joe Whedon on the phone. Is that correct?
Yes, you do.
And I'm just about to tell you what you've won or have not won. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. So, Joe, congratulations. You are the winner of prize number 5. You get
Right.
a $350 TV wall mounting job, fully paid for in your home. How does that sound?
Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you.
Hello, Greg speaking.
Hi Greg, Shane from TV Magic. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Greg, congratulations. You are a winner of prize number 1. You have won the $3,000 TV, mate. Congratulations.
Oh, fantastic. That's terrific.
We've got a brand new 65-inch Samsung TV coming to you. Your local technician, Craig, is going to be in touch to deliver that and put that on the wall if you need. How does that sound?
Oh, absolutely fantastic.
Were you expecting that on a Sunday, mate?
No, not on the Sunday morning, or Sunday afternoon, whatever it is. No, that's terrific.
Well, congratulations again, Greg. We got a video. You were the number one person picked out of the hat this morning. So, yeah, congratulations again, and we'll be in touch.
Oh.
So there you have it. Listening back to the phone calls, listening to the excitement of these people that had no idea that they'd won anything brings a massive smile to my face. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you to JB Hi-Fi. Thank you to all our customers. Thank you for your business and support. It's been a pleasure. We look forward to showing you the photos of these amazing wall mounting TVs and the videos that'll come. Thank you again. Thank you for watching this video.